As product builders, keeping up with the relentless pace of tech innovation is our biggest challenge. In the times where yesterday's innovation are today's standards, how can we stay ahead? In this video, we're diving into 7 transformative trends reshaping our digital world, from conversational interfaces to super apps and beyond. These trends are not just shaping our interfaces, but they're redefining the way we interact with technology. Before we get into it, please consider giving this video a like and subscribe just to catch the future content that we have in the works. The first trend for today is conversational interfaces, meaning our gadgets are learning to communicate like us. And it's not only a trend, but a new frontier for digital products. Thanks to the latest advancements in NLP, we're at a pivotal moment in redefining how we interact with computers. NLP, or natural language processing, is a part of the artificial intelligence that deals with the understanding and manipulation of human language. These developments are what make tools like ChatGPT possible, enabling more natural and intuitive user interactions beyond traditional click-based interfaces. As a designer, staying ahead of this evolving landscape means mastering 3 primary capabilities of conversational interfaces: informational, transactional, and generative. For those looking to delve deeper into enhancing UX with those new generation features, we linked a super informative video down in the description for you to check out. It offers insights into leveraging LLMs for complex user tasks such as auto-completion, information retrieval, sentiment analysis, and intent detection. The second trend for today is multimodal interactions. Conversational interfaces are just the beginning. We're stepping into an era where technology not only listens, talks, and understands us, but it's also evolving to sense our moods and needs, responding in tune. Over the past year, computers have made remarkable strides in understanding voice, sometimes even surpassing human capabilities. The days of frustration when your Siri fails to grasp simple concepts is becoming a thing of the past. With the adoption of revolutionary tools like Whisper overcomes the current limitations of voice tools, dealing with 99 languages, cutting transcription, accent, and background noise errors by 50%.
This is the Micro Machine Man presenting the most midget miniature motorcade of Micro Machine. Each one has dramatic details, terrific trim, precision paint jobs, plus incredible Micro Machine pocket playsets.
Moreover, computers aren't just mastering the ability to respond and act like humans. This was shown in one of our experiments that we just did recently, where we asked ChatGPT to act like a McDonald's salesperson and take our order.
Where did the butter come from? I would just like a large water and a cup of ice cream.
They're also adept at mimicking our voices and tones, even adapting it to languages we don't even speak.
Ils sont aussi doués pour imiter nos voix et nos tonalités, même en les adaptant à des langues inconnues.
All these breakthroughs that I mentioned emerged only this year, but they are poised to revolutionize how we interact with computers forever, enabling us to switch between voice, touch, or typing, choosing whatever feels right in the moment. As an illustration, you could ask ChatGPT to generate code for your website, paste it into an editor, take a screenshot of the result, and send it back. GPT might identify errors and rectify the code. In the near future, it's plausible that these operations could be executed autonomously, with AI testing and optimizing the code with no need for user intervention. A similar approach applies to pictures. You can tell GPT what you need, and it generates the image. Then you can ask it to look at the picture and suggest how it can be improved or made to look more unique. GPT analyzes it with its vision and makes changes. Or you could upload a photo and tell it to generate something based on, for example, redraw a photo of a person into an illustration from The Simpsons, and GPT does it. Then you ask by voice to narrate what's happening in the illustration, and GPT tells a newly invented story verbally. This is where our interfaces will truly flow, becoming proactive digital assistants that not only know you, but learn from each interaction, getting sharper and more helpful along the way. But it goes even deeper with neural interfaces. Yes, they may or may not be in our distant future, but if you're interested in accessibility or solutions for people with impairments, we recommend following the recent advances in brain-computer interfaces. Trend number 3 is collaborative user experience. The UX landscape as we knew it before AI copilots was rather predetermined. We had a desired input and an exhaustive array of potential outcomes, but AI has broadened this horizon, paving the way for a truly unique journey for each user. For example, Microsoft Word and Outlook. They've transcended basic text editing and email setup to become real-time collaborators, enhancing your drafts and streamlining your communication. Excel's Ideas feature signals a shift towards anticipatory design, as the tool suggests actionable insights, identifies trends, and offers visualizations without requiring users to delve into the data themselves. And with AI like Copilot integrated into these tools, we're witnessing a fundamental change. Tools are evolving into proactive assistance for users. This evolution signifies the future where AI plays a central role in shaping UX. But the biggest change is anticipated with the emergence of autonomous agents capable of working independently from users. Imagine having a personal AI assistant tirelessly scouring the internet for the best deals, negotiating and piecing together your personalized summer vacation, or an assistant that is monitoring all business communication, aggregating all necessary information, and negotiating terms on your behalf. Initially, we'll have numerous independent agents specializing in specific tasks. However, the ultimate vision is a world where to create a new app or service, you simply articulate your desires to an agent and it crafts the application for you. Already today, AI can go beyond online searches. It can even place your pizza order. Hyperwrite has introduced an AI agent capable of interacting with websites. CEO Matt Schumer demonstrated its prowess by seamlessly completing an online order with Domino's Pizza using just the Chrome extension. Modern AI agents are able to interact with almost any website based on the goals set by the user. They can see the website layout, read instructions, click on buttons, and recover from errors. They can interact with more than 6,000 apps using APIs such as Zapier. Now you can manage your calendars, send emails, check CRM, everything by using ChatGPT interface or a conversational interface of any other app that uses OpenAI integration. This approach indicates the crucial thing for designers, intent-based outcome specification, where users state what they want without specifying how to get there. It's a complete departure from traditional command-based design. This one I'm sure you'll like a lot, Superapps. Typically, apps have a very specific use case, but now we're observing startups meshing AI's conversational and multimodal capabilities to birth super apps. Ecosystems that bring together a myriad of services under one digital roof. For example, the Uber-owned The Everything app Careem is a region-based product aimed at making it easier than ever to get around, order food and groceries, manage payments, and more. Careem is already applying AI to improve customer and driver security through targeted facial recognition of drivers and making a huge leap in providing accurate estimated times of arrival by factoring in a host of conditions, including local weather conditions and prayer times. Similarly, there's Natural AI, powered by Natural OS. This all-in-one application provides user access to a divergent range of services, from grocery shopping to travel. ChatGPT is also becoming a super app when it's connected with Zapier, and Zapier is connected with any of the other 6,000 apps. You just tell what you want to do, and it does it. The company formerly known as Twitter has similar plans to transform X into a super app. For UX UI designers, the implications are clear. Our craft is evolving from designing individual apps to architecting ecosystems. Number 5 is interactive data visualization. It's not just about displaying information anymore. It's about a system that curates and explains the data based on your needs and preferences. If the app features reporting or dashboards, it will be a significant shift from what we are familiar with right now. Users will be able to design custom reports and dashboards with natural language. AI will be able to offer insights and educate users on actionable steps. With access to Python coding environment, AI can leverage new capabilities. For example, thanks to a new feature called data analytics, ChatGPT became a knowledgeable BA analyst that is able to not only quickly clean up, analyze, manipulate, and visualize complex data, but also it can provide guidance and easy to understand actionable insights. It's as if every user gets their own developer and business consultant. For more examples, DataBox, a platform that goes beyond traditional dashboarding to provide predictive insights. Or Power BI, with features like Q&A, quick insights, and key influencers visual. The key here isn't the tools themselves, it's what they represent for UX design. Our role is transformed into anticipation of a broader range of user interactions and ensuring that insights are presented in a context that is immediately actionable. And by the way, we tried to conceptualize these ideas and many more AI patterns in our AI feature series. You're welcome to check it out. We have the link right below in the description. And trend number 6, dynamic hyper-personalization. While traditional manual customization demands user intervention for setup, AI now allows for hyper-personalization, marking a shift from designing for broad demographics to tailoring experiences for each individual. This evolution enables designers to think less about the details like dark and light modes, and more about the entire user interface adapting in real time to our specific behaviors and needs.
Evolve AI is purpose-built to optimize journeys and drive better outcomes. We use AI to find winning journeys at an unprecedented scale and speed.
This UI will be generated ad hoc for the specific user needs. apps will become more like what spreadsheets became for business a long time ago. People will have the ability to get personalized and optimized UI for every task they may have. Until now, it was too expensive and hard to make an interface for every possible scenario. Soon it will be possible. Generative AI also introduces a dynamic A/B testing scenario where design elements are constantly evaluated and tweaked based on user interaction. For UX UI designers, this trend means creating a system that can handle an incredible variety of user preferences and patterns. And trend number 7, the rise of low-code apps. The realm of development has been revolutionized by numerous low-code platforms with user-friendly templates and intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces. What do these tools mean for you? A shift toward a more integrated approach to design and development, blurring the lines between concept and creation and empowering designers with unprecedented speed and agility in prototyping and testing. Similarly, Flutterflow AI Gen harnesses the power of AI to not only craft app designs, but also generate the underlying code. Magica AI, powered by Natural OS, takes it even further by announcing the ability to build applications directly from user inputs like text, images, videos, and 3D models, potentially bypassing traditional development stages altogether. If you want to build a disruptive AI app or add features to your app, drop us a line and maybe we can build it together. And let us know what your thoughts are about the trends we discussed today. Do you agree with our vision? How long will it take before we all have our own personal Jarvis? Because our take at Cieden is that soon independent agents will be able to help with virtually any activity in any area of life. They will affect how we use software as well as how it's written, as agents will be the next platform that apps and services are built on, like Android, iOS, and Windows. Agents will replace search sites because they'll be better at finding information and summarizing it for you. They'll replace many e-commerce sites because they'll find exactly what you ask for at the best price. And they'll replace spreadsheets and other productivity apps because there'll be no need to use different apps for different tasks. You'll simply tell your device in every language what you need, and it will be capable of doing it. Thankfully, the only part of our life that they won't be able to replace is the joy and inspiration we get from sharing ideas like we did here today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.